Hello guys, this is my day 2 of 30-day challenge, 30-day English speaking challenge, 5-minute challenge. And today I bought a new product which is known as a Boat Rocker 650 Pro headphone, which is very good. The sound quality is very good, the build quality is very good, and the color. Look at the color. Color is very beautiful. So this is my product, and I buy it because I have a problem in my left ear, a little bit of problem in my ear. So that from neckband, I have currently using the neckband which is I'm cooking food. So what I am talking about ki uh, I am currently using a neckband which give me pain in my left ear also, left ear as well as headache. So I bought that. Let me turn it off. So I have turned it off. So mm let the conversation begin. And currently today I what should I talk about? I don't have any topic. I'm going to explain you uh, some cases why my English speaking is poor, because I am from the village area where the English speaking is not necessary for everyone. And I have completed my fifth standard class to the fifth, not sixth, to a school which is Hindi medium. And then I jumped to the CBSE board school which is in my village area, and there is not necessary for speaking English. So here also. And then I entered into the college, I entered into the school which is UP college, matlab Uday Pratap Public School. Here also I am not speaking English poor. And but the school is CBSE board. So I completed my CBSE board from 9 to 12th, and completed my study uh, from 9 to 12. And then I jumped to the I have taken admission in the Akash Institute. Oh, um I'm going to explain you something. When I am going to the school in class ninth, my father uh, take me into the college school known as Uday Pratap Public School. I have taken the admission in that. And I have to take a, because it is the distance from my home to the school is nearly uh, 30 to 35 kilometers. So I have to take a room which is nearly 1.5 kilometer from the school. So uh, I have a bicycle from there. But at that time I don't have the cooking skill. I don't have any cooking skill, how to cook rice. Even I don't know how to cook rice, how to make roti. So uh, when I came to Varanasi for that, the place is Bhojubir. In Bhojubir, I have taken a room, which is single room. Uh, but I'm I'm very stressed at that time, because I have I don't have cooking skill. And when you are coming from village to city uh, for study, as well as leaving the family also, I am totally alone there. And I talked to my father. Then he told me that uh, Shivam, my name is Shivam. So he takes Shivam, come back to home. I will give you admission. I will admission in any another college, and came back to the village. But I know at that time the admission fees of my UP college is nearly 10,000, and I have bought my dress also. dress as well as some books also. So that 13,000 stopped me to come to the village. That 13,000, when I came back to the village, then the price of the room, admission fees, and each and everything will not be returnable. So I I uh, I say to father, don't do that. I will accept after even 10 to 15 days. I will then uh, then uh, I started going to school every day, making friend as well as the room, hostel partner also. There it is not the hostel, it's known as the room on rent, and each and everything will be yours, and you can cook food. There is not the tiffin system also. So that is my journey. I have explained you. This is my second day. I will meet you tomorrow at that time. Bye bye.